it's me, Alegra. I thought I would hop on today and share a subscription box unboxing. So I've got my Glossybox August box here, and so I figured we can unbox it together, see what's inside. I absolutely cannot wait. I am pretty much obsessed with Glossybox. It's definitely one of my absolute favorite boxes of life. So here it is, beauties. OMG, I'm so excited. Seriously, I just can't. And you know what? Everything that they send, winds up, I use it all the time and love it. Like, this is where I discovered my Ico London Beach Mascara. There are so many products that I discovered from Glossybox, so they curate an amazing box for you. So here it is, guys. So beautiful, like they always do. They just do, oh my god, always beautiful ribbon, always beautiful packaging. And here is everything that's inside. But like I always say, I'm going to put this aside because I love to be surprised. But in here is everything. We'll save that in case I need to find out what something is. And guys, actually, I just saw on the literature that came, they actually have started a Glossy Lounge. So if you are a Glossybox subscriber, you're going to be a member of the Glossy Lounge, where they have exclusive discounts, giveaways, prizes, and more from your favorite brands. So that's another amazing benefit of being a Glossybox member, a Glossybox subscriber. So let's just go ahead. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, oh my gosh, guys, yes. Okay, right away, I see here Glow Recipe, which I absolutely love Glow Recipe products. And this is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, which is everything I need right here. I always have to use gentle cleansers. I think if you use a gentle cleanser, it'll just totally transform your skin. I was thinking about I said I have to let people know. But so much of dryness, irritation, even wrinkles is caused by the cleanser. You wouldn't believe what I was using a cleanser. And I actually was using it on my eye area, a cleansing wipe that I was using. And it actually, I started to get, I don't know if you guys had seen, but I mentioned I was getting really bad wrinkles and really bad dryness, and my eyes just were looking really bad. It was all because of the cleanser. As soon as I stopped using that cleanser around my eyes, and I just switched to a really good eye makeup remover now, I just use eye makeup remover, and my eyes are perfect. The wrinkles have gone away. It's amazing because they were looking super bad. But anyhow, this, I love all my Glow Recipe skincare products. Do they have everything I've used from Glow Recipe? I love. So I really want to just tear into this. It sounds like it smells amazing. Blueberry cleanser. Doesn't that sound like it smells so good? So I just love the packaging. All of my Glow Recipe packaging I just love, because I have my plumping hyaluronic acid serum. It looks so pretty on my vanity with the pink bottle, and then this is such a beautiful color. I can't wait to have this on my vanity. They just make beautiful packaging. I love that color. So I just want to see if it smells like blueberry, because I would actually love that. Some people don't like scents, but I love scents. And I love fruity scents and things like that. Oh, it feels a little bit grainy. Oh, it does. It smells like blueberry. I think it smells really good because it has a very light blueberry scent. It's just, I love stuff like that. Oh, I love this. Okay. And definitely, since it says it's gentle, but also deep cleansing. So that sounds like everything I could ever want and need in a cleanser. And it says here to massage it into your face for 1 minute. So I can't wait. Tonight I'm going to use that. I'm very excited. I don't know if I'm the only person in the world, but I get so excited. Skincare products, shampoos, facial cleanser, they get me, I just love to feel clean. I love to feel clean, I think, more than anything. So I just love really nice skincare products and shampoos and body soaps and all that kinds of stuff. So beauties, I just reached in, but here, oh my gosh, this is a KAB lip oil. So I believe this is Kim Zolciak from Real Housewives of Atlanta. And yeah, it's Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. So they have a lip oil. I know one time they had sent a lipstick, which was really nice, a liquid lipstick, but oh guys, look at this. This is the biggest lip oil I have ever seen in my life. Why do lip oils always come in these teeny tiny tubes? Look at this, guys. I'm gonna try this right now. The packaging is beautiful. It has iridescence, where it says KAB, it has an iridescent effect. I love the purple color. It has a huge applicator. I think it tastes like coconut. It has a tropical kind of flavor. Okay, this feels really good, because when I like a lip oil that feels really good on your lips. I don't know how to describe it, but they feel kind of, I like when they feel thick, and this one feels very thick and very good. Because I gotta tell you, I had tried one the other day, a lip oil, and it just felt like nothing. And I like when you can really feel that it's on your lips. the thickness, I guess. I just love that. So, and this also makes a gorgeous lip gloss because I'm loving this as a lip gloss. It just gave the, you know, that juicy, voluminous lips look. Wow. You guys, I'm so shocked how much I like this. It's great. I actually love it, and I can't believe how big it is. I'm so happy that it's this big, and I love the color too. The color that it's like this purple violet color. I just love that because I feel like colors are so uplifting. When I see pretty colors, I get very uplifted. So that's amazing. Okay, Glossybox August is turning out to be one of my favorites of the year. Okay, let's keep it moving, you guys. Oh no, this is another good one. I love Olympus skincare, so anything that this could be, I'm pretty sure I would just love it. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this is an anti-wrinkle day cream. So I can't wait to try this. I have an Olympus skin mask that I'm using right now, a mask that you put on. It is amazing. It's just unreal how good it is. I'm actually wanting to do a video and just do my favorite masks, and the two of them are from Olympus. So I cannot wait to try this. I just know I have never used anything from them that I didn't like, so I'm really happy that I got this. And for me, this is a huge sample. These kind of samples will last me like a month. This is a deluxe size sample. So that's amazing. Oh my gosh, guys, they sent something else here that I needed and love so much that actually I discovered from Glossybox. And that is the Invisibobble hair ties that you can hair ring. But guys, these have totally changed my hair because my hair used to look so bad when I would wake up in the morning. And since I got into using these Invisibobbles that I first discovered from Glossybox a few months or last year, they transform my hair because now I don't get any bumps in my hair. I can leave my hair straight. I straighten it, and I just put one of these Invisibobbles in my hair, like on the side, and you go to sleep and you wake up and your hair's still perfect. And there's no bump and there's no line like other hair ties and scrunchies and things like that. They leave a mark in your hair, but these do not leave a mark. And then also, you know, if I do curls or something like that, I'll put my hair up in a bun and use my Invisibobble, and there's no mark. It just makes your hair come out perfect the next day. I don't know how, it just makes such a huge difference. So, and these are like a marble one. These are so pretty. For some reason, I used mine so much that after a while they broke, so I needed more. So this is amazing, but I did use them day and night. My other ones for like over a year, so that's why they eventually broke. But now I got a new one. I'm so happy. I was gonna go buy some at the store, so this is amazing. Nothing has ever transformed my hair so much really as using these, because your hair doesn't get messy. Even your hair doesn't get messed up. Even if you go to bed, a lot of times I would wake up and my hair would look horrible. It would just always look horrible when I guess I'm like a rough sleeper or something, but I would wake up and my hair would always look horrible. But since using these, like I said, I just tie my hair to the side or maybe on top, and I wake up, there's no bump, everything's perfect. It's just so amazing. It's that amazing. So let's keep it moving, guys. Oh my gosh, so they sent a Hask. This is a Keratin Protein. I believe this is, yes, a smoothing deep conditioner for your hair. Prevents breakage, softens for weak damaged hair. I can't wait to use this. I've used these Hask products before and I love them, so I'm really excited to use this. There's no parabens or sulfates in these products, so they're so good. I can't wait to use this. And then beauties, there's something really big in here, I'm not sure. Oh, look at this, guys. I've never seen this before. This is a Cetaphil Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. Look at the bottle. I love this. You know what, guys? Cetaphil is so good, and it's like, look at this bottle. I love this. Wow. I guess that's a new bottle, or this is a new product. Sheer Hydration. Weightless 48-hour hydration, intensely replenishes and improves the overall quality for sensitive skin. Oh, that's amazing, because you know what, then I can use this like on my chest, because a lot of times I don't want to put lotion on because my skin is so sensitive. Anything could break me out or things feel sticky. So hopefully this doesn't feel sticky, because I hate lotion. A lot of times I won't put lotion on because it just feels sticky and I just can't deal with it, but then you get stretch marks and stuff. So I know I'm supposed to, but I just never do. But can I tell you guys, this feels so amazing on my hands. Oh, it has a really nice light scent. Wow, it smells really refreshing and clean. This is really good, you guys. Wow. I didn't see this in store. Have you guys seen this in store? I haven't seen this in store yet, but it feels amazing. It feels incredible. It seriously does. So beauties, that's everything I got in my subscription box, my Glossybox this month. Wow, this was seriously one of my favorite boxes of the year. Seriously. Because I'm just such a lip oil addict, and that huge lip oil is amazing. That Cetaphil lotion, it feels incredible. It truly feels so incredible on my skin. The Bounce Cleanser from Glow Recipe. There is just so much amazing stuff in here. And beauties, I do still have my discount code where you can get your first Glossybox, your first month's box for $1. So you would have gotten all of this today for $1 when you sign up for Glossybox subscriptions. Glossyboxes are an amazing value. They're only $18 a month, so they do cost less than a few other boxes out there. I know a lot of boxes are in the 20s and in the $50 even, but Glossybox is $18, so it's an amazing value. Plus they have those limited edition boxes that come out a few times a year. They come out with these amazing limited edition boxes. I don't know if you've seen my previous videos, but the Glossybox egg, the advent calendar, oh my gosh, they come out with so many amazing limited edition boxes as well. And as a subscriber, you get first dibs, so it's amazing because they do sell out really fast. So being a subscriber of Glossybox, oh, and now they have the Glossybox Lounge where you're gonna get discounts, giveaways, all kinds of good stuff. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna go check that out tonight. But I had so much fun filming today's subscription box unboxing with you beauties, and my Glossybox this month was phenomenal. I'm so happy with everything that I got. I could not love it more. So thank you beauties so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know what you got in your Glossybox. Are you already a Glossybox member? If you are, come meet me in the lounge because I will be there trying to get all my discounts, giveaways, prizes. You guys know I'll be there trying to do the most. So anyway guys, thank you for coming and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. It helps me out so much. Also head on over to my Instagram because I'm having weekly huge giveaways every week now. Every Friday I'm announcing a new winner and I'm showing the newest giveaway. So you're gonna get to see exactly what I'm giving away for the week every Friday on my Instagram. I'm gonna post a video in my stories, so check out my stories to see the giveaway and also who was last week's winner, because we're picking winner every week. Actually, some weeks we have 3 winners, so there's all kinds of good times going on. So I hope you guys will stop by and join the fun. So thank you beauties so much again for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you dolls so much. I hope you're all doing good. Remember, stay safe, stay positive, stay focused on good things, and I will see you beauties very soon. Bye. Love you.